Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris, and in this video I'll be showing you how I made this. An LED pot that decorates a plant. In this case I'm using a pineapple plant. So let's get started. So the first part here is gonna be planting the pineapple plant, and I want to plant it first so I can take measurements all around the pot itself and design my part. So all you need is an empty pot, some soil, a few stones over here to cover the soil from the top, of course a pineapple plant, and some water and some tinfoil. So first thing, take the plant and separate the orange part from the green part. Here I've done it already, over here. As you can see, this is a pineapple plant. It looks nice. This is the part that's gonna this is the part where all the roots will come out of the plant. So this part is very important. If you don't have it, make sure you take more leaves out, cut more leaves so you can see this part.
Sliding down the last street as the day creeps. What you doing with nobody at home? Sugar, just step into your sneakers and step behind the speakers. Your heart will keep me beating and make me a believer. Don't you want me? Don't you want me? I need some mercy in my soul. Come on, give me what you got. Oh, oh, oh. Give me what you got. Oh, 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 oh. I said, roll up, roll up, roll up. Yeah, come get your love.
So here's my controller. I'm using here an Arduino Nano with 3 shift register boards to give me more pinouts to use the LEDs. I've connected here 8 LEDs. Each wire here is connected to an LED. So these LEDs are RGB LEDs which have 4 pins. Each pin controls a color, red, green and blue, and with those 3 colors I can make 7 combinations of colors. So let me test it out. This is the on button switch. It's all on. I'm using a controller to control the lights. So we have red. Let me turn off the light box so we can see better. So here I have red, green, blue, yellow, I guess, then So here's the final product. Here's the plastic part, 3D printed, the pot, and here's the electronics control box. All the LEDs are attached in place with the 3D printed part. What's left to do is to put the plant inside and test it out using this controller. So let's put the plant inside and test it out. Here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.